Hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How are you? Is
Yeah, I
is
am
it evening
fine.
in India now?
Okay.
Yeah, it happened that I was a little bit busy with some reports.
Okay.
That's why we are just mixing our schedule. But I'm happy that now we have this
Uh,
chance at least to discuss some few things.
okay, so I already developed the code for your pen sharpening about that.
Okay.
Landsat 8. So
Okay.
just I simply share my screen and try to show you that code. Just a minute. I simply share.
Okay. Super. Super.
So now can you see my screen?
It's coming. E yeah, I can see it's just popping. Yeah, now it's okay. I can see your screen.
Okay, so basically in this time, this image we can see the image about that. This image for your region of
Mm-hmm.
interest, and here I already applied the pen sharpening technique for
Okay.
make the high resolution imagery. So basically, Landsat image,
Uh,
we get the image for the 30-meter
mhm.
resolution, but when I apply this pen
Okay.
sharpening technique, then it will be up to 15-meter resolution.
Okay.
And also
Okay. 15
increasing,
meter.
and we can easily get all of those feature. You can see the all of those home, all of those things you can easily get in here. So in this time,
Okay.
this is our code which I pen sharpening in here. So basically in this time, you can see the code about that. So basically in this time, we
Yes.
mainly pen
Yes.
sharpening the this type of band, a red band, then
Mm-hmm.
green band, blue band, and
Mm-hmm.
also near infrared band.
Near infrared band.
Yeah, this four band we are using in here for pen sharpening. Okay, after that create this composite look like that, and in this composite
Mm-hmm.
when I click on here, then I also get the more other band, such as you can see in this time mainly we are work for the
Okay.
red green blue. This is our main. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
as well as we are also put here the B8 band. B8 is that near infrared
Okay.
band. B8, so basically we can get all of those band in here. Suppose I put here the near infrared, then put here this composite such as red band and blue band, also
Mm-hmm.
custom 98%. So now I can get this band composite according to this condition.
Mm-hmm.
I can get this image look like that after applying this type of band combination.
Yeah.
Suppose I put here
Yeah.
this,
I see.
and we can easily export this image from here. And this image we are also
Okay.
using in ArcMap software or QGIS software for different types
Yeah.
of other remote sensing work.
Yes. I'm mainly using ArcGIS and ArcGIS Desktop and ArcGIS Pro. I think you saw the screen capture I shared with you in WhatsApp, right?
Okay, you can simply share that. Yeah.
Okay, and if you try to little bit zoom, how much the quality of the information I can get out of it? If you try to zoom, okay,
But again, just
and this Rahman, is which epoch? Is it 2010 or I think this is 2010, right?
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah, this is 2010. I see some features that have been there 2010.
yes. And you can see here, I will try to show you this part. Suppose I did not use the pen sharpening technique, and then show the image, then I can get the image look like that, 30-meter resolution. So I display the result.
I think after this, Rahman, I'll join your class. I did it the basic one. So
Yeah,
I wasn't much in detail, but I was following your document and the things you shared in the group. It's really detailed. I think I'll need you
yes,
to join the class for at least to finalize the package. And I think I'll come with my some few colleagues of mine.
yeah,
We can do it together.
yeah. Then it's a better. You can easily handle about that. So in this time, this image showing without pen sharpening.
Uh-huh.
So this image showing the without pen sharpening.
Okay.
When I apply the pen sharpening, just I uncommenting this, and also
Uh-huh.
just add here all of those pen which I want to need, and then click the run. So now it apply the pen sharpening technique and also increase the resolution about that.
Okay.
Okay, it also better just I simply export this map from here image and then apply in the ArcMap
Mm,
or user software. Just I try to show this part just. So further I simply export
okay.
this. So I use this code about the exporting export dot image to drive.
Uh-huh.
So it will be export in my drive. After that, first of all,
Uh-huh.
I make a dictionary in here. So use at the curly bracket start and also curly bracket in here.
Eh, eh, Yeah, because the question that I'm trying to answer from that image
Yeah,
is it's how the urbanizations or those settlements that are across the river
yeah,
has influenced the plastic materials and some pollutions on the river. So I
yes,
think with that level of resolution, it will meet my requirements and needs for sure.
yeah. So you want to use this image for the classification?
Mainly is assessment. We assess through those. That's why we wanted 80 bands, so that when we come out to do some analysis,
Yes,
you cannot identify plastic directly from the image, but at least by identifying where the house is by using near infrared, eh, mixing up the bands, so you can get different information.
yes. So you want to identify the plastic? Yeah.
Yes, the plastic materials, but also the influence of urbanization
Okay.
along the river.
Okay. So first of all, okay. So you want to classify about that plastic. Then you also want to classify the river or water body. Then also classify the urbanization, mainly settlement.
Yes, mainly settlement.
Okay. 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 Then it also okay. But okay. So in this time from this image we can find out any plastic from here. It is possible to find out, or using the different types of pen combination. What's the pen combination we need to use for identify the plastic? If you have, then we can easily do this work in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, without ArcMap or user
Ah,
software.
okay. I'll go and check in my document and see
And if it
what
also
band.
possible, if
And
you have any ground truth data about the plastic field, or where the plastic will be stored, is there any ground truth data? Then we can also use the ground truth data in Google Earth Engine platform and easily make this classification about the plastic. Okay,
okay,
it also
okay.
possible. Sometimes we can get the some dustbin where they put all of those dust. Okay, all of those things will be stored in
Yeah,
here. So if it have any place
okay.
regarding these images, then we can simply take the ground truth. We can go here and take the GPS value, coordinate value. Then this coordinate value we can import it in this map, and from that we can extract the pixel value. Then we can get the pixel value of the plastic, and then apply this algorithm, and then we can easily get the result about the classification about this. easily we can find out this in Google Earth Engine platform.
Okay,
And
okay.
mainly we can easily
Yeah,
find out the from the
my
strategy
my
image. Yeah,
my doctor,
yeah,
my supervisor is also a remote sensing guy,
yeah,
and yeah, I think he was developing so many modules in terms of band combination
yeah,
on how now we can use the image. Once we have the image,
yeah,
we can go through different band combination to identify the
yeah,
influence of different factors that we have established
yeah. Then it's also better. Yeah.
on how they have impacted the river.
Okay. Okay, then also better. If you have this document, what is the algorithm or what is the band combination we have to need to use in here. So you can simply apply all of those band combination, all of those equation in here and easily get the images. And then this image we are also using for the classification about that. Okay. So it also possible in Google Earth Engine platform
Okay.
for doing that.
Yeah, I see. I see. There's a lot of possibility, but I'm glad at least we have that visual.
Yeah.
So that's promising, and yeah, that's I think that visualizing it on a Google platform, it's the same as visualizing on either mapping platform like as you mentioned QGIS or ArcGIS is the same.
Yeah. So basically
Oh, there
it's
is a little
yeah.
bit different.
No, almost not different. But Google Earth Engine platform, we are get the data and get the high accuracy in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, but
Yeah.
this type of accuracy is not possible to use the ArcMap or QGIS software.
Okay.
Basically, we can get all of the standing point in here or in here as well as we can easily get all of those things from here and also apply the different types of algorithm. We can see all of those algorithm we can easily find out in here, such as random forest algorithm, as well as also
Mm,
classification regression trees. All of those algorithm we can easily apply in here and also make the different types of machine learning and also check the accuracy in our result. Okay, so then it is very easy way to
okay.
get this result look like that. Just need I simply get the wrong in here. Okay, just this image composite. I put this image composite in here. Okay, I need to, okay, and I also need to select here the band, which band I want to need in here. So in this time, I want to extract the band for, suppose
Mm-hmm.
B2 band. I also extract the band for B3 and also extract the band 4, band 5 near infrared, then suppose band 6, okay, and also suppose band 7. Okay, suppose this band I want to
Okay.
extract. Okay, suppose then also B8. Okay, so in this time I just simply click to the run. I hope now it will work and easily export about all of those band, and all of those band we will
Okay.
get as a 50-meter resolution in here.
Mm-hmm.
Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's fine. And I'll after this discussion, I'll check again with my doctor
Yeah,
to have a little discussion and say because I know when it comes on the Landsat, especially Sentinel 1, 2, 3, it's very difficult to go further than 15 meters.
yeah,
15 meter is the highest resolution, especially with this remote sensing analysis,
yeah.
and it suffices the need so far. So I think I can go with that. I think I can go with that because I have some other 4 bands which are up to 60 centimeter from GeoEye. So I have some other data which I hope they will facilitate in terms of RGB. If someone want to see really images with high resolution like roof type and whatever,
Yeah.
they will use that another data that I have. But this will help me for 2010 and 2022 will help me to do those kind of analysis and classifications.
Okay, it also help you. Yeah.
Yeah. Rahman, how long it will take you to finalize the all bands for these two epoch 2020, 2010 and 2022?
Okay, so what is the year?
Did
What is the time period
yes,
about that?
yes. I was asking about your time. When do you think it'll take for you to finalize all those algorithmic and coding and so that we can get the output now that I can be able to work with it on ArcGIS software?
Okay, so in this time you have only need for this band. Okay, all of those band for this region. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
For that, we need within 1 day it will be completed. There is no problem about that. Okay. So in this time we
Okay.
extract all of
Okay.
those band 50-meter resolution
Yes.
from here, and for this region,
Yeah.
basically red, green, blue, and near infrared
Yes.
band.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay. So it will be completed within 1 day. It will be completed. And how
Okay.
and what is the
I
time
think.
period?
For the data,
Yeah. For the data.
uh, it's just to I need like if we'll get for 2010 2010. So I don't know if it goes in 2 years or series, like 2019 2010 and the 21 2022,
Okay,
because basically I
you can
need
just
this.
simply send me all of those time period for the data. Then also better I check and
Mhm.
write the code according to your time period for this region, and finally export all of those things and send you. Then it's better. Yeah.
Okay, and the other thing, Raman, at least if you can help me, because the other question that I'm trying to answer, to see the changes that occurred over 10 years or this like 11 years. That's why I wanted the image for the same location for
Yeah.
2010 and another image for the same location for 2022. The idea is to assess the changes for these
Yeah.
10 years, 11 years, how the city has changed, how the river have been affected. That's what exactly want to see.
Okay. Okay. I understand. Yeah. But all of those things will be okay.
Yes.
But it also face the problem when we it also all of those things we can easily do in Google Earth Engine platform. But we face the problem when we want to take the pixel value from the plastic. Okay, only for the
Mhm.
plastic. This class is very difficult to identify because plastic is
No,
the
no.
very small size. Okay, so that's why it's also very difficult to
Yes, I know.
identify the plastic
It's
in
very
here.
no problem.
Yeah.
At a moment, we'll use some other prox features.
Yeah.
We will not need exactly to have to identify plastic, but some other prox features like urbanized snapshot
Yeah.
have the plastic. You can leave it out. Just other features. Yeah.
Okay, so I will do that. You can send me all of those time period. Then I also show you that, and I'll just send you
Okay.
all of those band for this different time period.
No, no problem, Raman. Thank you very much for your time. And as I mentioned, I think I will need to arrange the classes,
Yeah.
at least with my two guys,
Yeah.
three guys. You can take us through. We can arrange
Yeah.
time. You
Yeah.
give us 101.
Yes.
We'll arrange the payment for the session.
Yeah. So you can see here. This is an online training program.
I will the
Yeah.
tutorial.
Okay, so you already see about this our online training program. So basically, this online training program is the for the beginners.
The group.
Yeah, who don't have any knowledge about the coding, they can easily join our online training program and easily learn all of those things in Google Earth Engine platform for beginners to advanced level. Okay, and our next batch will be start from the 5th August. Okay, already admitted more than 3 people in
Okay.
here. So if you want, you can join your own group with your colleague, or if you want, you can also continue from this batch. There is no problem.
Yes.
Yeah, they're also better, and you can get all of those things from the beginners to advanced level in Google Earth Engine platform. Then you can easily develop any code or any analysis for your own research work. Okay.
That sounds okay. I think let's get able to join. For my two guys, they'll be able to join. We
Okay.
really needed this kind of session and training.
Okay, thank you. No problem. You can easily contact with me and then join. There is no problem. Yeah. And before that, we also complete this work for your and just send me all of those time period. I make the code and also send you the output as soon as possible. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, I will be sharing those time period this evening.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I think that's okay. I think that's okay. If there is any information you want to share, please, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You can just chat with me on WhatsApp, and I can do whatever is necessary.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Have a good day. Okay. Okay, bye.